Hey everyone! Do you want real Indian members for your Telegram channel but don't know how to get them or which bot to use? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to get real Indian members using a trusted and easy-to-use bot. Bot to use, @Telesmm Services Bot. Let's get started. Step-by-step setup. 1. Open Telegram and search for @Telesmm Services Bot. 2. Tap Start to begin. 3. Tap on Members. 4. Select Non-Drop Members. 5. Choose the option Telegram India Members. Speed 10K, 90 days refill stable, just 246 only. Click on Auto Repeat Order. 7. Send your channel link. Enter the number of members per post. 9. Enter how many times you want to place the order. Select a random range. Enter the time frame for auto repeat. Tap Yes to confirm. And that's it! Your Indian members order has been placed successfully. This will now automatically add members to your channel daily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.